My name is Shankar Nath from Dubai, TDY. One of my close friends recommended to me to join this course. After this course, I learned the meaning of TDY formula. So, you guys, would you like to know the formula of TDY? D means detox. Second D means diet. Y means yoga. So, I am applying this formula in daily basis. This course is very helpful for me to and my family members. So I learned a lot of things from this course, like benefits of pranayama and benefits of doing bhajan, kirtan, and the benefits of fasting ekadasi, and the benefits of diet chart, benefits of sleeping early, and benefits of alkaline food, and so on, etc. So I am very happy to become a warrior of naturopathy. So I don't have much time. I would like to request everyone, each and everyone must to attend this naturopathy course. So my heart thankful to Mr. Hare Krishna Madhav Kirti Prabhu, Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Madhav Kirti Prabhu ki jai.